Hello and welcome to The Singer's Piano, where we talk about everything to do with piano, vocal and songwriting for self-expression and healing. Now, this week's tutorial is all about how we can play 6/8 on the piano to accompany our voice, so that we can sing songs like At Last by Etta James, or kind of all those rhythm 50s style songs. First of all, what is 6/8? How I describe 6/8, it's a feeling, it's a flow, a movement like water, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's one of my favorite time signatures to play in. I absolutely love it because you can play it with arpeggios, you can do it with just a simple left hand, and it adds that beauty and that flow to songs that you may not get if you were doing 4/4 timing. I'm going to show you my hands, and I'm going to show you some simple ways in which we can play At Last by Etta James, so you get an idea how 6/8 works. So you can see my hands here. Let's just clap. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The idea with 6/8 is that we emphasize the 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 1 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what I want you to do is I want you to take one hand, one finger, and we're going to play the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first F is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to go to the B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're just kind of getting in that feeling, that rhythm. Sway your body, or sway with me. So let's try that again. We've got the 2 Fs, then we've got the B flat, we've got the B, the 2 Fs, the D flat, the C, the F and the D. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we go into the song. The easiest way to do the bass line to begin with is to play the 1, the 4, and the 6. So it's going to sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's just clap that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's try that with the piano. So I'm going to actually use an octave because I find it slightly easier than doing the one note. But you can, if you can't do the octave, then you can literally just do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do it with the octave though. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now we're going to do the introduction with that rhythm together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you may miss out one note here or there, it's not a problem, but if you can, on most of them, get the 4 and the 6, it just adds that groove. And then we're going to sing the song at the same time as the left hand. I'm just going to sing you it, but this is the rhythm. So you can watch me going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 while I sing, because obviously I can't count and sing at the same time. So it's going to go. At last, my love has come along. My lonely days are over. And love is like a song. So you've got that beautiful 6/8 timing, but we're emphasizing the 1, the 4 and the 6. So it adds that kind of groove versus going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 1, 4, and 6. If you struggle with that, get a shaker. Get a shaker. 1, 2, 3. And let my love just come along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My lonely days are over. And you might even just start with just a singular note to begin with, but having the shaker so you've still got that groove. And my love just come along. The days are over. And love is like a song. So even if you can't do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, try with a shaker and just have that singular note. Okay, once you've done that, what I want you to do is to do the chords. Now, this is a really difficult song. And the reason why this is difficult is because there's so many different chords here. So now I'm going to play the introduction and I'm going to play it with the 7th, with the B flat, with the diminished. I'm just going to do a D7. I'm D7 minus 9. I mean, it could be this, I'm not sure. But I'm just going to keep the simple chords that sound cool. But I am going to do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's have a listen to this. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Playing the chords now. This is difficult. Like even now, I've sung it a few times before I came on, but it's still tricky. You could be thinking you could count, or you could just feel it, right? This is how I tend to work because it's really difficult to count and sing at the same time. Like, I don't know about you, but I really, really struggle with that. But I do have the innate rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, in a minute, we're going to do that chug, 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 chug. But we don't want to do that chug, chug to start with because you want to build. Alas, the skies above the blue. My heart is wrapped in blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. The night I looked at you. That can be, as I said, tricky. And also what I was doing then is I'm starting. So we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you notice when I was playing the right hand is that I was playing chords, but then I might add one of those 4 or those 6s in my right hand. Now, I found a dream. This might be where I might start to come in with a chug. So what I call a chug, I mean, there's probably a technical word to use it, but it's like the bum, 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 bum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. So you're actually doing bum, 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 bum. And it sounds something like this. We're going to go, I found a dream that I could speak of. I dreamed that I can call my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek on. A thrill that I have never known. Ooh. So that's a chug. So that rhythm is slightly different. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. So it's still on the 4 and the 6, but you're adding not just the 1, 4, and 6. You're adding that kind of 2, 3, like a train almost, yeah. So if you want simple, you might just want to do one finger, maybe just the C. I found a dream that I could speak to. a dream that I can call my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill that I have never known. Yes, so can you hear that? So you start with that, and then maybe keep your C in the right hand, and we're going to just do the left hand, right? So the left hand will be the walking bass, but the right hand's just going to do that C. Now, it might sound a bit crappy, but don't worry, because we're just getting that rhythm going. I found a dream that I could speak to, a dream that I can call my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill that I have ever known. So again, I'm just using that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 in the left hand. Sometimes I'm missing a 4 out, sometimes I'm missing a 6 out, but majority of the time I'm playing that. And you're just having that chug in the right hand. Now, once you've got that chug in the right hand working, and you've got that 1, 2, 3, the 1, 4, and the 6 in the left hand, we then bring the chords in. And this takes practice. I'm just sight reading at the moment, and I might be like, so if we go, I found a dream that I could speak to, a dream that I am called my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill that I have never known. So again, I'm using inversions, I'm using the sevenths, I'm using fourths, I'm using fifths. I won't play that at the same time. I'm just messing around with the chords. But the main rhythm in the right hand is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here's the great thing is once you've done that chugger in the bridge, it builds the rhythm up. So it's like that, boo, use a man, use a man. One day the spell was bound. You go back to that. And here we are, for you are mine at last. Yeah, so you've got that chug in the bridge, and then you go back to the third verse and you go back to being slow. I hope that has been of help. This is one of my students in the membership, Amy, for requesting this tutorial. We are piano vocalists. That's the key thing, right? So we don't want it to be too complex. We want to keep the rhythm. That is so important. So even if you just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even that rhythm alone, if you're a beginner, will really help. So listen, if you have loved this tutorial and you would love to learn more about piano, vocal and songwriting, I've got a free PDF guide. Simply click on the link below and it will be emailed directly to your inbox. And as always, please subscribe if you've enjoyed this, and I will see you next week. Until then, take care, guys. Bye.